Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best CPUs for multitasking that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 9600X, a budget-friendly option that still delivers solid multitasking performance. With 6 cores and 12 threads, this processor is based on AMD's Zen 5 architecture, offering a 5.4 GHz max boost and support for DDR5 5600 memory. This makes it a great choice for gamers and everyday users who need a reliable CPU for light multitasking and gaming. While it's not as powerful as some of the other processors on this list, it provides smooth performance for popular games and moderate multitasking workloads. The design is sleek and compact, adhering to AMD's standard socket AM5 platform, which ensures compatibility with modern motherboards. However, it's worth noting that this processor does not include a cooler, so you'll need to purchase one separately. In terms of performance, the Ryzen 5 9600X excels in single-threaded tasks and can handle entry-level content creation workloads. It's also unlocked for overclocking, giving you the freedom to push it further if you have adequate cooling. As for the value proposition, at just under $200, this CPU is ideal for budget-conscious users who want a balance of performance and price. However, for heavy multitaskers or those running demanding software, you might find its 6 cores limiting. Pros include its affordability, strong single-core performance, and compatibility with cutting-edge technology like PCIe 5.0. The cons: limited multitasking power and no included cooler. Next up, at number 4, we have the Intel Core i5-12600K, an excellent mid-range option for users focusing on multitasking and light gaming. This processor features Intel's performance hybrid architecture, combining 6 performance cores and 4 efficiency cores for a total of 10 cores. With a clock speed of up to 4.9 GHz and integrated Intel UHD 770 graphics. This CPU is well-suited for users who want a multitasking machine that doesn't require a discrete GPU for everyday applications. Design-wise, the i5-12600K is compatible with Intel's 600 and 700 series chipset-based motherboards, making it versatile for upgrades. Its 16 megabytes of L3 cache ensures quick access to frequently used data, improving responsiveness in multitasking scenarios. The processor also supports up to 128 gigabytes of RAM, which is a fantastic feature for memory-intensive tasks. However, like the Ryzen 5 9600X, it doesn't come with a cooler, so plan for an additional investment in cooling solutions. In terms of value, the i5-12600K is an excellent choice for users who don't need the absolute top-tier performance, but want a reliable multitasking CPU. It's particularly suited for students, office workers, and gamers who occasionally dabble in content creation. Pros include its hybrid core architecture, integrated graphics, and strong multitasking capabilities. The cons? It's outshined by newer processors in terms of raw power, and the lack of a cooler adds to the cost. Finally, at number 1, we have the AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D, the ultimate multitasking CPU on this list. Dubbed the world's fastest gaming processor, it features 8 cores and 16 threads built on AMD's Zen 5 architecture. With a maximum boost clock of 5.2 GHz and 96 megabytes of L3 cache, this processor is designed to dominate not only in gaming, but also in content creation and heavy multitasking workloads. Its next-gen 3D V-cache technology enhances performance while maintaining excellent thermal efficiency. The design is drop-in ready for socket AM5 motherboards, making it a seamless upgrade for AMD users. However, like other high-end AMD CPUs, it doesn't come with a cooler, so you'll need to budget for one. The 9800X3D excels in CPU-intensive tasks such as 4K video editing, 3D modeling, and complex simulations, offering unmatched responsiveness and speed. At $449.99, It's the most expensive CPU on this list, but for professionals and enthusiasts who demand the best, it's worth the investment. Pros include its unparalleled multitasking performance, cutting-edge technology, and future-proof design. The cons? The high price and the lack of an included cooler. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.